I was in the middle of I had in midst of my jump, and she just ran right at me with my knee there. I fell right on it, and it had twisted inward.
17-year-old soccer player Lily McWilliam is among millions of teenagers who participate in high school sports each year. But despite all the great health benefits like increased physical activity, weight management, and improved self-esteem, these students are at risk for some potential serious injuries that could have long-term effects.
Teenage athletes are in a stage of different growth and changes. There are certainly cases of injuries that affect the growth plate in bones, and that can certainly have a factor later on in life.
In order for teens to stay healthy on the field, Dr. Cohen says they need to take a few things into consideration, like warming up, no matter what sports they're playing.
There should always be rituals before you participate, of stretching exercises, of warming up prior to your activity. It will decrease the amount of injuries you have, both overuse and the acute traumatic type injury. For example, pulling a hamstring or rupturing your Achilles tendon.
And if there is an injury, it's okay to sit out, something that's not so easy for teens to do.
I couldn't do anything for like 6 weeks, like literally nothing, because it was junior year. So with soccer, like that's this like sort of time to get looked at, and so that was shot.
They want to make the team, they want to impress the coach, and sort of ignore any pains that they may have. And also, sometimes, you know, the way the seasons go, some students are participating for 12 months out of the year. And they don't give the body enough time to rest.
It's also important to pay attention to sleep habits, hydration, and diet.
Sometimes peer pressure can have a factor when you're a young student. Body image is a big factor. When you're very active, you need more calories, you need more caloric intake.
With Dr. Cohen's help and some patience, Lily is back on her game.
I'm excited to have a full season of 2 different sports and being able to manage it, and luckily I had good advice so that I can do both now.
I'm Dr. Manny, Fox News.